Hi kids. A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yellow, brown, light green color, blue, pink, black, red, sky blue, orange, green. A, A. A is for apple. B, B. B is for ball. C, C. C is for cat. D, D. D is for dog. E, E. E is for elephant. 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3. 4, 4, 4. 5, 5, 5. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.